A very good afternoon to all of you. Please confirm if I'm audible. Please confirm if I'm audible. All right. So yesterday we have started with the coding decoding, but we have not seen any question till now. We have just seen that how to memorize the place values of each letter. That is what we have seen. So let's take the questions now. All right. So carefully see the language of the question. This is how the language of the question will be. If this word is written as this, then in a certain code, then this word will be written as what in the same code. So first we have to decode this coding. That how this coding has to be done, we have to decode this. The same code we have to apply there also. The question actually is very simple because we are just starting with the questions. So carefully see please, what is the concept? 4 letters are there. In coding, decoding and such type of question, every letter will have a every letter will have a code. So these 4 letters, their code I'm telling you, their code is I, B, O and E. So every letter, its code is the next letter. Next letter is the code. Okay. Now carefully see. The code of H is I. I'm telling you this. Where is the code of H written? Same place. The code is written at the same place. First letter, first place. Okay. The code of A is B. But where is B written? Same place. The code of A is B. Second letter, code is written at the second place. The code of N is O. The code is written at the third place. Third letter, third place. Fourth letter, fourth place. All right. So when the coding is done this way, that means first letter code at first place, second letter second place, third letter third place, fourth letter fourth place. When the coding is done this way, we say we have named this pattern as forward pattern. Forward pattern. Okay. So we are calling this as forward pattern. So wherever the letter and the code are present at the same place, that we will call as the forward pattern. So let's apply the same here also. So S, next letter T, I, J, L, M, and K, N. So this is your answer. Now carefully see the next question. This coding will change, but this will not change. What I'm trying to say is, the code of letter will be same, but the code of the word will change. So carefully see. See please, all the 4 letters which were present previously are present here also. Here also I'm telling you that code of H, A, N, and D is the same, just like the previous question. Okay, code of H is I. I'm telling you this. But where is the code written? Last place. The code of this letter is written at the last place. The code of second letter, which is B, A code is B, is written at the second last place. Third letter, the code is written at the third place from the last. And D letter, that is the last one. The last letter code is written at the last place from the right side. So if previously it was forward pattern, we call this as the reverse pattern. Coding of the letter is same, but coding of the word has changed because of the place. Because of the place at which we are writing the code of each letter, we are not writing the code at the same place, we are writing in reverse order. So this way we will get the required code. So here also we'll do the same thing. S, T, I, J, L, M, and K, L. In reverse way we have to find. Okay. This also is next letter coding. All right. So the code can be written at the same place. Each letter, I am saying, the code of each letter can be written at the same place, or it can be written in a reverse way also. Other than this, it is something which is a mix. So carefully see. Here as well, I will say the same thing. H, A, N, T. I am telling you, code of each letter is same, just like the previous two questions. But where is the code written? Please, at what place the code is written for each letter? Carefully observe. H letter I, A letter B, N letter O, D letter E. So this is how the coding has been done. The code of first two letter is not written at the same place. So, first letter second place, second letter first place. Third letter fourth place, fourth letter third place. So this is how the coding has been done. We call this as a mixed pattern. Mixed pattern can be this way also. Mixed pattern can be this way also. Three letters in this way, fourth letter like this. The mixed coding can be this way also. First two as it is, and last two in a reverse way. So mix has a lot of ways. It is not just the only way. This is one way in which you can observe mixed pattern. So mixed pattern is something which is not forward, which is not reverse. That becomes the mixed pattern. So here S, T, I, J, and K, L. This is your code for this. Let me remove this. All right. So this becomes the code of this. So three patterns we have seen. We have to learn to identify the patterns. Sometimes it will be very easy because the code is just the next letter. That's why it is easy. When the code is not next letter, it will be little bit difficult, not as easy. So for example, if you see this question, please carefully tell what code is there. Okay. So try to observe always. First, you will see the forward pattern. Maybe it will be final, maybe it will be or not. Sorry. So first, see the things in forward pattern. Okay, try to observe if there is a forward pattern. So how to observe is try to see if these two letters are close with respect to their positions. So yes, WV are close, RQ are close, HI are close, ST are close, DE are close. So yes, they are very close. So we can be assured 99% that it is forward because this way the letters are close. Okay, if you carefully see, previous letter E minus 1 will be D. Previous letter, again previous letter, previous letter. If you see with respect to top letters, we have written the previous letter as the code. Or if you see with respect to the bottom values, the next letter is the code on the top. So this is what we are observing. So we have to write the previous letter as the code, and we have to write the code of this at the same place, code of this at the same place, code of this at the same place. Okay. So L, M, H, I, F, G, G, H, and S, T. So this will become the code of this. So we have to write the previous letter, nothing else we have to say. So until now, we have not thought about the place values. It was not required because letters are very close till now. Either it was previous letter or it was next letter. In this case, it is previous letter. So let's see one more question. When the difference between the two letters increase, then place value becomes important. Try to solve this question without place values only. Okay, so it's easy. Okay, C. One letter is D, then C, D, E, H, I, J, A, B, C, I, J, K, R, S, T. So one letter is there in between, and next to next letter is the code. The code of every letter is written at the same place. First letter, first place, second letter, second place, third letter, third place, fourth letter, fourth place, like this. So it is also forward pattern. Forward pattern it is. Okay, let's apply here. So T, U, V, A, B, C, B, C, D, L, M, N, and E, F, G. So this becomes the code V, C, D, M, G. All right, for this. Okay, L, M, N. All right. So here also it was easy. Z plus 2. My dear, the series is never A to Z. It is A to Z, again A to Z, again A to Z. Like this, it never ends. So if you're saying Z plus 2, that means Z plus 1 will be A, and again plus 1 will be B. So Z plus 2 is B. Okay. It is never ending series. Think like ABCD letters in a circle. So they will never end. All right. So now next. Try to solve this question now. Try to solve. Previous letter is 3. All right. Always start with forward pattern first. Always. When you start with forward pattern, so you are thinking, just assuming that S, the code is J, H, the code is X, Y, the code is V. Carefully try to observe and answer. These pair of letters, are they close to each other? Are they close? Are they close? Each pair of letter, are they close to each other? So no, they are not close. H letter, X letter are not close. A and E are close. I can say Y and V are close. P and M are close. S and J, I will not say they are close. Close in the sense a difference of 5, 6, 7 maximum, like that. So they are not close. Not every pair, some pairs are close definitely. So it is not forward pattern. So try reverse. If you try reverse, please carefully answer. Are they close? In reverse way, are they close? See, please. Are they close? All right. So yes, they are close. Without writing the place values, don't say +2, -3, +2, -3. Don't say anything related with numbers. I am for the first time writing the place values. So S, Samsung 19, height, Y, year 25, A1, middle 13. This is P, pixel 16, E5, Vivo V22. 2 lines 4 direction, jersey number 10. 6, 9, 14, Kelvin, University 21. All right. Now, once you have written the place values, it will be easy for you to observe. Tell me, please, the numbers, if you see in reverse direction, each pair of number is close, yes or not? Each pair of number, are they close? Each pair. All right. You will say, yes, sir, but sir, A and X are not close. Sir, it is not close, sir. So carefully see. Let me write this first. A 19 minus 3 will give you 16. 8 minus 3 will give you 5. 25 minus 3 will give you 22. 1 minus 3 will give you -2. And 13 minus 3 will give you 10. Only one problem is there. This is 1 minus 3, that is -2. What is -2 in alphabets? What is -2? How to understand this -2? We are getting negative number. So how to understand -2? Okay, see please. To understand -2, add the number of letter 26. So -2 actually means 24. -2 means 24. So -2, 24, both are representing the same letter. Okay. So -2 means 24 only. So 1 minus 3 is -2, and -2 means 24th place in the alphabetical series. So all of you understood this? Please confirm. So we have to write -3, -3, -3, -3, -3. In reverse order, we have to write. Okay. So please answer, what is the code? Hmm. how a minus 3 equal to x, please understand 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. And whenever you get a negative number, you have to think minus 2 negative number plus 26. Okay, so 24. So a minus 3 is x, x is 24, and minus 2 also means 24. Okay, RHKFM. Okay, all right. So carefully see. 16 minus 3 is 13. 9 minus 3 is 6. 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 21 minus 3 is 18. This is right to voltage. This is height. This is Kelvin. This is 6. So fix and middle letter 13. So now please carefully answer. The code is reverse code. A reverse coding has been done. But I have calculated the answer with forward. So what should I do to calculate my answer? I calculated forward, but actually it is reverse. What should I do? What should I do? So just reverse it and you will get your answer. The reverse of this, that means RHKFM. RHKFM. This is your answer. All right. So this way, please remember this. Whenever there is a reverse pattern and you have to find the code of the next word, first calculate forward and reverse it. This way you can calculate very easily. Okay. Now, try the next question. Okay, please see the next code. Pooja, it is not forward pattern. I calculated the answer with forward. But I have to do reverse, right? Not forward. So whatever answer you have calculated, reverse it. Vani Hama Shetty, Hanam Shetty. Check, there is one mistake, one letter mistake. All right. So first I will write the place values, then I will try to observe. So M, Oppo 15, T20 match, 8, 5. Right to vote age, Samsung 19, University 21, Oppo 15, G7 countries, E5, Vivo V22, last year 12, Oppo 15. Okay, 2, 18, 15, 21, 7, 8, and 20. All right. So first I will try to see in the forward way, are the numbers close? So 13 and 15 are close, 15 and 12 are close, 20, 22 are close, 8 and 5 are close, 5 and 7 are close, 18, 15 are close, 19, 21 are close. So yes, the numbers are close to each other. So we can conclude it is a forward pattern. Okay, so 13 plus 2 will give you 15. 15 minus 3 will give you 12. 20 plus 2, then 8 minus 3. 5 plus 2, then 18 minus 3, then 19 plus 2. The same we have to apply here also. But please remember, we have to start with plus 2. So plus 2 minus 3, plus 2 minus 3, plus 2 minus 3, and plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is D. 18 minus 3 is 15. 15 is O. 15 plus 2 is 17. Question number 17. 21 minus 3 is 18. 18 is the right to vote age. 7 plus 2 is 9. So I9 processor. Okay, sorry. 8 minus 3 is 5. Fifth letter is E. 20 plus 2 is 22 and Vivo V22. So this is the code. So this way, plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 in a forward way, it is coming out to be the coding. Okay, so all of you understood with this, please answer. So not everywhere it will be next letter, previous letter. Sometimes it can be something else also. Okay, sometimes it can be something else as well. Then also, if there is unequal length of the word, then also you have to apply the same. But please remember, you have to start with plus 2. If it is starting with plus 2, you also have to start with plus 2. Okay, unequal length is not an issue. All right, next one. All right, please try this question. Hmm. Okay. So first, I will try to observe if the letters are close to each other in forward pattern. So P and S are close, R and O are close, A and D are close, M and J are close, O and R are close, D and A are close. So yes, they are close. Next, what I will observe is I can write the place values if I want. 16, 18, 1, 13, 15, and 4. 1, 18, jersey number 10, 4, Oppo 15, Samsung 19. So if I try to observe 16 plus 3, 18 minus 3, 1 plus 3, 13 minus 3, 15 plus 3, 4 minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3, plus 3 minus 3, this is how it is coming out. So let me apply the same here also. It is plus 3 minus 3, plus 3 minus 3, plus 3 minus 3. Okay. So first I will do plus 3. So many ways are there. Let me first write the place values if you want. 5, 19, 8, 1, 22. Okay, 11 plus 2, 14. 14 is N. 19 plus 3, 22. 22 is V. 1 plus 3 is 4, that is D. 22 minus 3 is 19. 19 is S. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 is E. And 5 minus 3 is 2, that is B. So this will come out. Okay. Minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3. All right. So this is what we have to learn to identify. Whenever, my dear, it is same at the same place, at the same place, at the same place, whenever same place the code is written, it is going to be easy. It is going to be easy. In reverse also, it is going to be easy, but in mixed pattern, it becomes difficult. So try to solve this question now. Just give me a minute. All right. So what coding is coming in this? KCTN. Answer is right. What coding it is? Mixed. Okay, it is mixed. So first write the place values. Make this habit. Okay, so write the place values and try to observe which numbers are close. So 18 is just close to 20. It is not close to anything else. So 18 is close to 20. So what you have to think is this part is separate, this part is separate. So try to observe. 18 is close to 20. So in this part, you try to see in reverse way in this part, and here you try to see in forward way. So 18 plus 2 is 20, 5 plus 2 is 7, 1 plus 2 is 3. So if I do plus 2, I will get the required numbers. And here also 4 plus 2, I will get 6. But where the code is written, that is which makes it as a forward pattern. Everywhere it is plus 2, everywhere. So the same we have to apply here also. R, A, and I. So R, S, T, A, B, C, I, J, K. Okay, sorry, R, S, T. And L, M, N. Okay. So this is what you will get. R, S, T, A, B, C, I, J, K, and L, M, N. So K, C, T, N, you will get the same pattern you have to apply for the second word also. All right. Anything which is doubtful? JBSM. How JBSM? How JBSM? My dear, random nature is never a pattern. Please remember this. It should never be random in nature. Please remember this always. All right. Next question. Okay. So please try this question. A little bit, I will say it is on the difficult side. So take your time. 3 minutes I'm giving you to solve this question. Difficult. Try mix pattern directly. Okay. Try to identify how the mix pattern should be, because mix pattern is not fixed. It can be in a lot of ways, mix pattern can be there. All right. So 3 students have got the answer. Okay, 3, not 3. KVRL MIG, KVRL MIG. I think KVRL MIG is the right answer. Okay, so carefully observe. First, let me write the place values. So I9, 18, 1, 3. Last year, 5, 1, 8. Year 25, 1. Oppo 15, M13, 2 lines, 4 directions. Pixel 16, right to voltage, 5, last year, sorry, last month. All right. Now try to observe something. I've told you this, it is not forward pattern because you can observe also. For example, if I say it is close, it is also close, this part is not close. In reverse, if I see this way, if I say -5, then it can become like 25. Okay. So carefully answer. 13 and 24, are they close? 13 and 24, are they close? No. So they are not close. So it is definitely not forward pattern. So try now reverse. 13 and 1, are they close? 13 and 1, are they close? No. So it is not reverse also. So we have to see the mixed pattern now. Whenever we try to see the mixed pattern, so carefully see. 25 is close to 18, 24 is close to 18. So either it is this or it is this. Okay. 18 is close to 13 also I can say. 18 is close to 15 also I can say. Okay. One hint I am giving you. That hint sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work. Okay. If you see the middle letter is same. Maybe it is just an observation. It is not actually going to affect the answer, or maybe it is going to affect the answer. Whenever middle letter is same, or whenever middle letter there is no change and 7 letters are there, so there is a middle place also. So what you have to try to observe in that case, I'm saying that left part you see separately, right part you see separately. Whenever there is a middle letter, in that case I'm saying. So left part if I see separately, right part if I see separately, and I try the reverse pattern, it will come out to be 13 plus 2, 9 plus 4, 18 plus 6. 13 plus 2, 9 plus 4, 18 plus 6. If I come to this part, again try the reverse pattern. So 3 minus 2, it is not plus, it is minus. 12 minus 4 and 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 will give you -1 and -1 is same as 25. So this way it will come out. On one side we have +2, +4, +6. On the other side we have -2, -4, -6. So the same we have to apply here also. So okay, +2, +4, +6. +2 is 18, +4 is 22, +6 is 11. So K, V, R. This will be as it is, so L. Now here it is -2, -4, -6. -2 will be 7, so G. -4 is 9, so I9 processor. And -6 is 13. 13 is middle letter. So KVR L MIG this way. So try to observe the things around the center. You will 90% of the cases you will see something. Okay, see please. Is this clear? All of you. All right. So now next. Try the next one. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So things are very easy here. So it is forward pattern 22 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So here also do the same thing, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Plus 1 20 plus 2 22 plus 3 4 plus 4 13 and plus 5 23. Okay, so this is your T20 match. V, fourth letter is D, and this is middle letter 13, and this is W. So TVDMW. This comes out to be your port. So whatever we are observing, you have to learn to do it a little bit fast. Okay. If you take a little bit of time in writing the place values, in that case, if you are going over 1 minute or 1.5 minute, then that is not good. Try to decrease your timings. If it is forward pattern, I will say 40 seconds maximum you should take. If it is reverse pattern, in that case, maximum 50-55 seconds. If it is reverse pattern, then you can go up to 1 minute 20 seconds or 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay. So try to be in the limits of time. VDMX, not X. Don't make mistakes in the calculation. Okay. It will be a very silly mistake. All right. So this is one type of coding. The other types in that little bit change will be there. So I will come back to this again. Okay. -4, 5 minus 4, 12 minus 4, 3 minus 4. -4, -4, -4. Okay. What else? minus 4. What else? On the right side, do we have minus 4 or plus 4? Do we have? No. So try to make the symmetry. Okay. Okay, it is minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. It is working out. But if you try to make the symmetry will be plus on that side, minus on this side. So it's better to take plus on one side and minus on one side. Okay. Yeah. Go by the method which gives you the symmetry. All right. So now we are moving on to a little bit different type of questions. So if you observe, the word and the code will contain the same letters. So MOTHERS, the same letters are present here also, and it is present in exactly reverse order, same letters. So nothing plus minus, it is plus 0 minus 0, I can say this way. So same letters are written, only the order of the letters is a bit different. So M letter, O, O, T, T, H, H, E, E, R, R, S, S. So the same spelling we have to write in a reverse way. So write B, R, O, U, G, H, and T. Okay. It will not always be this. If you try to see the next one, please try to observe the given word and the code contains the same letters. You can get this feeling once you see the word and the code. It contains the same letters. Try to observe how the rearrangement has been done. Try to observe that. Two letters. Yes, okay, apply that. So if we observe in a group of two letters, we will observe this. Okay, first two are reverse, HU, UH. The next two also reverse, the next two also reverse, and the last two are same. Okay, so this is how the rearrangement has been done. Two letter reverse, two letter reverse, two letter reverse, last two same. The same you have to apply here also. So first two letter reverse, next two also reverse, next two also reverse, last two same. So this will be CS. Now PO, LI, TI, and CS. So this will be the code of this word. All right. So most of you have got the same answer. Please check this Alfia Faisal. It is not OP, UP, it is OP. Okay. All right. Now see the next one. There is one correction here. This part is T, and this is C. Okay. Try to observe. All right. So start with the first few letters. Okay. So MA, where is MA? This is MA. N is there. Okay. So MA reverse. Okay, N is present there. So that means N and N. So this part is one separate. FUN. Now where is A? A is present there. So that means this part is separate. So ACTU, ACTU, reverse. And last two same. So reverse, again next three reverse, next four reverse, remaining two same. The same we have to apply here also. So EL, ECT, RONI and CS. This is how we will write. Be very careful when you write this. Okay, be very careful. By mistake or silly mistake, I'm saying, please don't make mistake in this while reversing the letters. Okay, so ELTCE, not EL, LE. Okay, it is not EL, it is LE. TCE, INOR, INOR, CS, INOR, CS, TCE, INOR, CS. Yes. All right. Next. Please try to solve this question. Next one. Okay. So it's simple to observe. The ordering has been done in half pieces. Okay. So if you see this half and if you see this half, it is just reverse. So this tree and this tree. This is Bushan and this is Bushan. How you can observe is D letter is present here, so this part is separate. B letter is present here, so this part is separate. The same you have to do for this as well. So 6 letters separate. So subs T, SUB, STI. Okay, and tuition also opposite. So TUTION. All right. So this way we have to write. Please remember this, whatever question is there, don't just keep on reading the question. Whenever you read the question, this is how you have to write from the question. Please keep a little bit of space as well, whatever question it is. Space between the letters, space between the code also. Okay. So vertical space, horizontal space, both must be there for easy understanding and clarity. Okay. All right. One last question. Very interesting. Please try this. Try to solve this part. Just give me a minute, please. All right. Okay. So a little bit, I will say, time taking it was. So please carefully understand how to save your time in such questions. Okay. Actually, what you will observe is pair of letters are going to different place. For example, BR, BR, EA, EA, KT and KT, HR, HR, OU, OU. So two pairs, or I can say a pair of letters is going to different places. So first divide into pairs. Okay, after this place, call it as number one, number two, number three, four, five, and six. Now try to observe where is this BR, which place this BR is going? Fourth place. So similarly, this DI also will go to the fourth place. Okay. So first one going to the fourth place. Okay, where is this EA going? This EA is going to the first place. So second place will go to the first place. ST will go to the first place. Now KT, where is KT? Last place. So third one will go to the last place. Okay, HR. HR is going to the third place. So this will go to the third place. So BU will go to the third place. Okay. Fifth one, OU. OU is going to the second place. So OU goes to the second place. So TI also will go to the second place. So TI will go to the second place. So like that, if you number the places, it will be easy for you to track. Okay. Now next is what? GH. So GH is going to this place. ON is going to this place. So this is your code for this. Please match this code. Are you getting the same answer? STTI, not BIBU. STTIBI DUONRI. DUONRI. Okay. All right. So this is the way we have to solve these rearrangement type of question. There is no plus one, minus one, plus two, minus two in these questions. It is just the letters are changing to different places. So it is just the rearrangement of the same letters. Okay. Now next, we are going to take some other types of question now. Give me just a minute. All right. Please read the next question. All right. So carefully see. Karma Putra is coded as AKSNQ VUAR. Okay. So Bhilvaram is coded as what? Okay. AK, please be very careful while writing this. So AKSNQ. Okay. VUAR. VUAR. Please try to write exactly aligned. It will be simple for you to track. Okay. Now try to observe something. Try to observe. First two and last two letters. Okay. So you are saying, sir, first two and last two. Sir, this is reverse, sir. Sir, this is also reverse. And here we are doing plus one. R, S, M, N, P, Q, U, V, and T. Sir, first two, last two is something different, but middle letters are having the next letter pattern. Okay. The same we have to apply to Bhilvaram. So BHILWARAM. So this will be BH. This will be MA. And this will be next letter. So I, J, L, M, W, X, A plus 1, B, R plus 1, S. So this will come out to be the code. Now, once you take out the code, once you calculate the code, after that matching the options, sometimes it can be little bit painful. So because options might be having only one or two letters which are different. So there, but here I will not say except the A and B option. Let's see HBJ, MX, MX, BSMA, BSMA. So only the last letter is different. So last letter MA, that is MN. So this is wrong. Okay, HBJ, HBJ, MX, BS, MA. So yes, A option is correct. Okay. Now this one JMX, BS, this is BN. Okay. This is CI. No. All right. So we have to learn this also. But there is one option which is none of these. So you cannot remove none of these option. Okay. Now, if you observe in this one single word, how the coding has been done. Here, it is not plus or minus. It is exactly same letters. So plus minus 0, I will say. Here also it is just reversal, just rearrangement. Plus 0 minus 0, I will say. So here it is first and last, it is just rearrangement. In the middle, it is forward pattern with plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So we have seen two types of question. One is forward, reverse and mixed type, and one is just rearrangement. Now we are seeing a mixture of both. Okay. All right. See the next question now. All right. Hmm. So try to observe now what should be the pattern. Okay, B, next letter C. U, not next letter. R, next letter. N, next letter. E, next letter. R, S, next letter. So everywhere it is next letter. But why not for UA? Why not for that? Why not for E? It is EF. So why not for E? Why? Why not F? Why I? So answer please. For these two places, we are not observing next letter. What do you observe at these two places? Do you see something which is special at these two places? So we are observing vowels. Yes, correct. So for vowels, it is next vowel. Okay, next vowel. Next vowel goes like this. A, then E, I, then O, and then U. Again, go back. Okay. So A, E, I, O, U. This is how the series goes. So after U, the next vowel, is A. So U, A. And for E, it is next vowel I. E, next vowel is I. Rest all are called as consonant. This is vowels. Rest all are consonants. For consonant also same thing. For consonant, it is plus 1, plus 1. Okay, plus 1, plus 1. All right. So this is how the coding has been done. The same we have to apply here also. All right. So E is a vowel, I is a vowel, A is a vowel. So A, next will be E. So based on this, two options are eliminated. Okay, I, next vowel is O. Okay, so third one will be O. Third one will be O. Okay, L, J, K, L, M. So just with this, I can say that C option is correct. Only with this, I can say C option is correct. Carefully see, please. I can find the rest of the part also, no issues. E, so next will be I, N, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, and T, U. Okay. So for vowel, it is next vowel. For consonant, it is next consonant. Just with this, I can say that C option is the right option. Just with this. Okay. Now next, carefully see, please. All right, please try this question. Option D. All right. So how the pattern is coming out? Is it forward or reverse? What it is? Forward or reverse? Okay, reverse. So we are having computer. We are having computer. Okay, the code is RFU. Please be very careful while writing. So RFU, VQ, VQ, NPC, NP, and C. We have to find the code of medicine. So medicine. Okay. If you carefully observe, in the same place, if you observe, the letters are not close. Okay. But in reverse way, if you see, this C letter is present at the last place. R letter is present at the first place. So M letter will be present at the last place. E letter will be present at the first place. That is the first thing I will do. Okay. So first one E, last one M. First one E, last one M. All right. Carefully answer. OJD. OJD. Can I say without saying it is OJD? Just from the option, can I say? Or leave it? Let's find it only. Rest of the part, if you see, this is O, this is P. So MNOP, MNPQ, UV, TU, EF. So it is exactly opposite. If you see, it is exactly opposite. All right. So the same you have to write here. So E, F, D, E. Okay, I, J, C, D, I, J, N, O. So E, O, J, D, J, E, F, M. If you carefully see, just one difference is there. That one difference. So be very careful. Try to take 2 or 5 seconds, 10 seconds just to match the option. By mistake, please do not mark this option just because of this error. Okay, please do not do this. All right. So D option is correct for this. All right. Now next. Until now we have seen word to word coding. Now we will see word to number coding. So please carefully see the question. So good is coded as 164. Then we have bad. Bad is coded as 21. Okay, ugly. Ugly is coded as 260. Now they are asking for jump. All right. So my dear, it is related with the place values always. Most of the cases, it is going to be related with the values of each letter. Now, the number of digits are not same. If you see, it is 1, 2, 3, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So immediately in such cases, write the place values. So I will say G7, 15, 15, and D is 4. Calculate the sum of the place values. Here also calculate the sum. Here also calculate the sum. All right, please answer. What is the sum of this? 41. If you multiply 41 with 4, you will get 164. Okay, what is the sum here? You will say, sir, 4 plus 1 plus 2 is 7. Okay, if you multiply this with the 3, you will get 21. Okay, what is the sum here? Please calculate this. How much? 12, 7, 19, 19, 20, and 40, 40, 50, 60, 65. Okay, the sum is 65. If you multiply by 4, you will get 260. So why we are multiplying by 4? Why multiplying by 3? Why not 5 here? Why not 5 here? Why not 2? Why not 1? Why 3? Okay, number of letters. So my dear, we are writing the place values, calculating the sum, multiplying by number of letters. So the code actually is the sum of place values multiplied with number of letters. Number of letters. This is the code. So calculate the sum of place values, multiply with number of letters, you will get the code. Sum of place value 7, 7 into number of letters, you will get the code. The same you have to apply for this also. So just see number 10, 21, 13 and 16. Okay, 16, 13 is 29, 30, 40, 50, 60. So you will get 60, 60 into 4, you will get 240 as the code. Okay, so 240 is the code. All right. So this is one way you might see the coding. Let's see other way. I will take this question later. Please try this question now. Try this question. Always try to observe whatever numbers they have given. Are they special numbers? Always try to observe this. So 216 and 125, are they special numbers? Yes, no. Yes, no. So yes, they are special numbers. They are cubes. So emblem. The value given is 216 and that is 6 cube. Now what is 6 for this example? You will say, sir, 6 is the number of letters. If you see the next one also, crude. Crude has 5 letters. Crude has 5 letters. So they have given 125, which is 5 cube. So actually the code here is number of letters cube. This is the code. All right. So we have to see this whenever spatial numbers are given, which are either squares or cubes. This is what we have to observe in such case. So we are having cricket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 cube is 343. So D option becomes correct. All right. So until now, anything which is doubtful, please confirm this. All right. Next one. Okay, try to solve this question. Take 2-3 minutes. Just give me a minute. All right. So, any one of you, did you observe something for this question? 56. Okay. So, GO. Then we have SHE. All right. Then we have sum. Okay. Carefully answer. If I write the place values like G7, O15, anyhow, can I get 32? Is it possible? Do anything which you want. Can I get 32? Can I get 32? No. Okay. Similarly, let's write for this also 19, 8, and E value is 5. Anywhere, anyhow, try that. Can you get 49 with these three numbers? Can you get 49? No. Okay. So let me just write the place values. Okay. So my dear, these are the place values. Nowhere, no way you will get 32 with this. No way. Similarly, no way you will get 49 with these values. It is not possible. Okay. All right. So actually what you have to do is you have to try with reverse numbering. We are numbering from A1 to Z26. Reverse numbering will be this way. Z is number 1, then Y will be number 2, like that. So A will be number 26. So in reverse numbering, what will be the place values? Write it in reverse and then try to observe. How to write the reverse numbering place value? I mean the place value in reverse way. What is the place value in that case? I will tell you that. But try to see that how to write the place values. Try to think yourself. G20, O12. Okay. What should be the way to write the place values? In reverse way. Okay. So please remember this. Just a minute. Okay. So to find the reverse, the place value in reverse order, what you have to do is you just have to do 27 minus 7, 27 minus 15. Just subtract the value from 27, you will get the reverse value. So here also 27 minus 19, 27 minus 8, 27 minus 5. This is what you have to do. So here I will get 20, here I will get 12. 20 plus 12, I will get 32. Here I will get 8, I will get 19. Okay, and here I will get 22. If I add it now, 22 plus 8, 30, 40, 49. So adding the reverse place values, I will get 49. Similarly, here also 27 minus 19, I will get here 8. 27 minus 15, here I will get 12. 27 minus 13, here I will get 14. 27 minus 5, here I will get 22. So this is what you have to add. Okay. 12 plus 8 will be 20. Now 30, 40, 50. 54 plus 2, 56. So overall sum you will get as 56. Okay. So actually the code here is sum of reverse place values. Not place values, reverse of the place values. To calculate the reverse of the place values, you just have to do 27 minus 7, 27 minus 15. Subtract from 27, you will get the reverse place value. 27, my dear, think it this way. For example, there is just 5 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So see please, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In reverse way, you will say, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So see the numbering done from the left, the numbering done from the right. If you calculate the sum, 5 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 5 plus 1. The sum everywhere, is it number of letters are 5? Is the sum of 1 and 5, sum of 2 and 4, sum of 3 and 3, is it 5? No. So the same way, it is for 26 letters, it is not 26, it is 27. That's why 27. No, don't think that A to M in one line, N to Z in one line. Don't think that. Yes, they will be opposite. Okay. No need to think it. So actually, you just have to write the place values. Place value is not working. So take reverse of the place value. Reverse of the place value will work. Okay. This is what you have to do. Understood? All right. So let's conclude the session with this. All right. Try these two questions as well. This one, and this one. Okay. So I will share the PDF with you. Try these, all these questions. Okay. We'll start with this question. Just give me a minute. All right. So I'll start with this question. There are these questions you can try. First one, second one, and third one. Other questions will be sentence coding. Sentence coding is something like this. So sentence coding is somewhat different. How the sentence to sentence coding is done, that we'll see in the next session. Okay. You can try the questions after the class. Okay. Yes, any type of coding like word to word coding, word to number coding, or it can be sentence to sentence coding also. Okay. Anything it can be. All right. Tomorrow's topic will be just a minute, blood relations. Okay. So tomorrow we'll start with blood relations. So we'll take blood relations. After that, we'll start with direction sense. Direction sense. After that, syllogism. So these are the topics we'll take in this week. Okay. Yes, after the attendance, you can leave the session. All right. Yes, all three are important. Syllogism is more important than direction sense, then blood relations. Sushmit. Am I audible, Sushmit? Please send your mail ID once. All right. So you will get a mail on this. Okay. Actually, two trainers are not present today. They are absent. So maybe the Mentors Connect is not going on. Okay. The meeting is not live. Okay. So I will contact with the team. If it is possible today, I will arrange something for you today. Otherwise, tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.